Beat him up. Now throw him on the ground. Now sit on him. Go beat him up. Go. Kill him. Beat him up. Hurt him. Oh, go get him. Beat him up some more. Go. Punch him on the ground. Go get him. Go. He's not dead yet. Kill him.
You want to see a cool trick that I can do with it?
Sure. Oh, I don't think he liked that. Okay, let me see him. Have you had enough pain, Mr. Curtis? No! Soccer! Yeah, boy.
What about Mr. Turtle? What about Mr.
Shut up,